In this course, you'll learn how to navigate the home screen on the mobile app. So once you have the app opened up, at the top of the page here, starting from left to right, you're gonna see you can create projects, you can manage your users and groups, you can invite new users, you can also hop in and see what those individual users are doing out at the job sites. You can take photos, you can upload photos, and you can scan in documents. You'll also see a search option up here in the top right. So if we scroll down, what we have first is our company feed. So this is everything going on in the company. All these photos are organized based on the most recent one taken. So if you have multiple people out in the field, this will be changing quite a bit. So you can scroll through here and just see what's going on in all of those different projects. Below that is the project feed. So these are the most active projects here based on activity as well. So as people are taking photos at these job sites, these are going to move to the front of the page so you can hop in there and see what's going on at the job sites. If you scroll down a little bit further, you'll see this is your profile. So this is going to show your most recent photos here and your most recent projects that you've been working at. So it will make it easy to hop in there if you do need to share, if you do need to take some more photos at that job site, just to get some information as well. Below that, we have our nearby projects. So this is based on your current location, and the project that you're closest to is going to be the first one on that list. So as you are driving from job site to job site, those projects will rotate, making it easy to hop in there and take those additional photos. So below our feeds here, you will see you can customize this home screen. You can chat with support, or there's a help center with a bunch of tutorials to help you with a mobile app as well. So if we do click customize this home screen here, you can kind of see if we do press and hold those three lines on the right side of the screen, we can kind of organize those feeds and how they sit on that home page. We can also add additional items. So if we want to add our starred projects or our starred people, we can put more information on there to make it easy to locate specific projects or to hop in and see what individual users are doing out in the field. So now at the very bottom of the mobile application, you'll have some more navigational options. So this square here is going to take you to a project feed for the entire company. So it looks a little bit different, but you'll have all your different projects going on here. And if we just swipe over a little bit, you can see this is the company's photos feed. So this is going to show you all the photos taken based on activity as well for that specific day. This next option here allows us to take some more photos. So if we hit that blue camera icon, you'll see we got our take photos here. We can search by nearby. We have our recent projects. We can pull up a map or we can search. You can see you can create a new project here as well. So we'll close that out. Next one is our notification center. So as employees are talking back and forth through the mobile application, if you are mentioned, you will see that all sits here. So I can easily just click on that tab there. It'll take me to the conversation itself. So I can add in there, I can answer questions, maybe it's instructions on work that needs to be done. The last option here in the bottom right will be your profile. So if we do click on that icon there, you'll see these are all my photos that I've been taking here. If I do click on that projects option, you'll see these are my projects that I've added photos to, or that I've been working at. And you also have your filtering option here in the bottom right, just to kind of help you find that project a little bit quicker.